So, ngayon, day off ko ngayon. Magpapagupit ako ngayon kasi sobrang dry na ng buhok ko dito sa baba. Kasi nung nagpa-reband ako, meron pang kulay yung dito sa end, yung bandang dito, baba. And then after few days, nung nag-wash na ako ng hair, nag-dry na siya dito. So, marami akong hair fall. Mas dumami yung hair fall ko kasi pag dito sa US, ewan ko, mas marami yung hair fall. So ngayon sabi ko, magpapagupit na lang ako kasi para mawala yung may kulay. Dito lang naman sa end. So first time ko magpagupit ng maikling buhok. Super. Kasi laging mahaba yung buhok ko. Pero okay lang naman kasi lagi naman, mabilis lang naman tumubo din yung hair ko. Kaya nakikita nyo, oh, may kulay dito. Ito yung ito yung dry dito banda. Hindi ko masyadong gusto yung pagpareban sa akin dun sa Cebu kasi mahal pa, 2,700 yung bayad ko. Tapos parang isang banlaw lang. Kasi pag nagpapareban ako, usually 2 banlaw or 3 banlaw. I am talking about my hair. First time cutting my hair. Kasi usually talaga 2 beses or 3 beses pa banlaw pag nagpapareban ako. Pero doon, 1 banlaw lang. So sabi ko, hindi maganda. Pero nag-recommend naman na siya na 4,000 yata yun or 5,000 na para daw may treatment pa daw na gagawin kasi nga may kulay pa yung buhok ko. Pero over 1 year na bago ako magpa-reband. Kasi sinisigurado ko talaga na 1 year muna bago magpa-reband para safe yung buhok. Mahal pa naman guys ng gupit dito, 1,000 pesos kung sa Pinas.
And it looks like you went with a all the way up to here, make it down into the 2, and then what did we do on the top last time? Just a little bit, just kind of blend it in, leave as much as we can. We can do that, all right.
Hi guys, I'm done with my haircut. Oh my gosh. First time that I have this hair really short.
Did you put it on Facebook yet?
Not yet. So guys, yan yung nag-i-snow ngayon. Hindi nag-i-snow. Marami pang snow sa ground. While they cut my hair, my husband went to Kroger and I was done quick. So I just walked to the Kroger because it's just so close. So it's just nearby, so I just walked to the Kroger because I thought that he's gonna be there, but he was like still shopping.
Checking out.
He was yeah. Nagbabayad na siya, so ako may binili din ako.
You were walking. Yeah, that's right. You did walk up there. That's cold out there, buddy.
I know, but I have my gloves and I have this.
Nothing wrong with that.
What do you think I did? Because you saw me there in.
I thought you flew up on your broom. You know she has a broom.
So guys, the haircut was $20 and I gave $6 tip.
Too much.
And that's too much tips.
Yeah, $4 would have been a good tip. $4 would be 20%.
But it's okay because she's so nice.
Asians
so
don't.
Much tips.
You don't give tips in Asia. That's what I found out.
Yeah, because
China, they actually don't want a tip. They get in trouble if you give it. They don't like that. Waitresses do not want a tip.
Yeah, because my husband been in China and
Philippines, they pay what the price says.
But now it's getting
tippy,
like
too many Americans.
So many foreigners. So Filipinos are kind of expecting tips now.
Yeah, they have actually at Chubi they had tip.
Oh yeah, they have charge in Cebu where we usually eat. They have charge. What's it?
Yeah, charge for
Service charge. Yeah.
That's their tip, and it's less than 5%.
Yeah.
So it's a tip, but it's not much.
Yeah. So now, guys, we are going to GNC and Aldi.
Ross.
Ross today, Thursday. I don't feel like.
No, you don't spend money. You just spend a lot of money on a haircut. See, where's GNC, honey? GNC.
There.
Oh,
In front of you. So guys, we are going to GNC because my husband is gonna get his
pills.
His vitamins. Oh, that ice is mountains.
Ice is nice. You have rice.
Ayan yung GNC. That's where I got also my vitamins. Ayan si Mister. Hindi na ako sumama kasi malamig. Sobrang lamig. Oh, my Cancun Mexican restaurant. Sorry, Princesas Tienda Mexicana. Tienda, parang Tagalog din, tenda. Tenda. Yung sa kanila, Tienda. T-I-E-N-D-E. Ay. Another semester. How much is this?
Same as Amazon.
How is it? So ito guys yung vitamins. For prostate health, reproductive function.
Yeah.
Ultra Soap Palmito Formula. JNC. Good brand. How much is this?
Same as Amazon.
I don't know in Amazon.
$37.09. $37.09.
Aldi lang sa harap namin at yung Ross. Oh, tingnan nyo yung ice.
Ice is nice.
Ice. And we will get more snow this coming Friday. Tomorrow.
12 o'clock.
Tomorrow, more snow. More snow tomorrow. I'm excited.
I'm not. I don't want no more snow. I hate snow. This is not a good snow car.
Yeah. Yan yung mga stores. Yan yung dress for less stress. And Aldi. Onioni.
$4.53, and you can only get 2.
Oh, limit too.
$4. I've never heard of it.
Are you gonna get a lot of sabon yan? There's a lot.
It is. You can find some that are single.
$1.99 only.
What?
$1.99. So guys, we are here at the lake.
We're gonna take a selfie.
Oh. Can we go there?
To where?
There, outside, just a quick.
You can't go down there. There's no way. You can get there.
So guys, so guys, yan yung lake na lagi naming pinapasyalan kasi malapit lang din sa amin. Ano, frozen. Yan guys, lake. Frozen na siya dahil sa sobrang kapal ng yellow. Yan guys, andito kami. Magpapapicture lang ako kay Tom. Ang tagal ko na dito sa US. I'm still excited with the snow. Right?
I'm not too excited about the snow.
You're not excited?
No, not at all.
So yan guys, yung snow. Lake yan, na frozen. First time na nagpa-short hair. So what do you think?
No, I like it. Yeah. I like that. Maybe longer better than the long hair. That's good.
So ito guys, ito ang binili ko, panty liner. And then shampoo. Anti-dandruff shampoo kasi I don't know pero parang Filipino problem pag nandito sa US nagkaka-dandruff. Buti dandruff at saka pimples. Buti na lang hindi ako pinimples dito. Ay hindi, pagdating ko as dumami pa yung pimples ko. Kaya pinaderma ako nito and then may ni-recommend din na ano, moisturizer. So, yun na palagi yung gamit ko. Ano, natanggal na yung mga pimples ko. Minsan, pasulpot-sulpot. And then, so guys, this is what we got. I want you to try this lumpia. Wow.
You have to freeze that stuff or something?
Microwave, remove plastic film, cook 1 to... okay. So ito guys, egg rolls, lumpia. So it says, cook 1 to egg roll in microwave. Microwavable tray on high for 45 seconds. Adding 45 seconds per additional egg roll. Wow. Okay. 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. You want some?
Lumpia? How many you have?
About 6.
6 each. Do lumpia for you. 6 for $4, $3.59. Ooh, that's expensive. 60 cents a piece.
There's one also in Kroger. I don't know if it's more expensive or cheaper. Only 5.
5? 70 cents, maybe 80 cents each.
So ito guys, mga veggies. Need veggies.
Yeah, veggies.
You need to be healthy. Pepper and broccoli. His favorite broccoli. Broccoli. So guys. And then ito. Garlic, stuffed olives. Healthy din to. Tatry ko yun. Looks good.
Uh-oh.